the wild world of the 24-hour extreme food challenge. And the twist? I'm only eating food of one color for an entire day. It's going to be a test of creativity, willpower, and maybe even my sanity. I've chosen the color green. Why green? Well, it's vibrant, fresh, and there's a surprising variety of foods to choose from. Let's see how this goes. Starting off with breakfast, I'm whipping up a green smoothie. I've got spinach, kale, and a ripe banana for sweetness. I'll toss in some almond milk and a scoop of protein powder. Blending it all together, I'm left with a vibrant green concoction that's packed with nutrients. It's refreshing and gives me a great energy boost to kick off the day. Plus, it's a great way to sneak in those greens first thing in the morning. Now, moving on to lunch, I'm thinking a big salad. I'll use romaine lettuce as my base, then add in some cucumber, green bell pepper, and avocado for that creamy texture. I can't forget the green olives for a salty kick. For dressing, I'll whip up a simple vinaigrette with olive oil, lemon juice, and a hint of honey. This salad is not only colorful, but also satisfying and filling. Who knew eating green could be so delicious? As the afternoon rolls around, I'm feeling a bit snacky. I've got some green apple slices and a handful of pistachios on hand. The crunch of the apples paired with the nutty flavor of the pistachios is a perfect combo. It's a great way to keep my energy up without straying from my color theme. Plus, it's a nice little break from the heavier meals. Dinner is where I really want to get creative. I'm making a green pesto pasta. I'll blend fresh basil, garlic, pine nuts, and Parmesan cheese with olive oil to create a vibrant pesto. I'll toss it with wheat pasta and add some steamed broccoli for extra nutrients. The flavors are bold and the color is stunning. It's a meal that feels indulgent while still sticking to my green theme. As the day winds down, I can't forget dessert. I'm going for a matcha green tea ice cream. It's creamy, slightly sweet, and has that distinct earthy flavor of matcha. It's a perfect way to end the day on a high note, and I can't believe I managed to stick to just one color for 24 hours. Reflecting on this challenge, it's been a fun and eye-opening experience. Eating only one color forced me to think outside the box and get creative in the kitchen. I discovered new recipes and flavors I might not have tried otherwise. Plus, it's a reminder that healthy eating can be colorful and exciting. Who knew a day of eating green could be so enjoyable?